Hello my dear students, in present video I am going to talk about silent features of class Pisces. Pisces is it's a part of Agnatha. The vertebrata showing two subdivisions including Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha, true jaw is absent as well as paired appendages is also absent. Best example is the Petromyzon is there. I already explained on all details in previous video. So in present video we will see the characteristics of Pisces. So Pisces, Gnathostomata having a two superclass including Pisces, another one Tetrapoda is there. Pisces. So Pisces having a two classes, chondrichthyes as well as osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fish and osteichthyes means bony fish is there. So silent features, the first, Pisces fishes are aquatic. These fishes is dominate in aquatic habitats. Fishes found in fresh water, some found in marine water. Fishes found in a pond, river and stream as well as in a sea and in ocean also. So Pisces, we can say first true jaw vertebrates. The true jaw present in a fishes. Lower jaw generally a movable as well as homodont type of teeth also present in their mouth. Fishes are cold blooded. When you see the fishes, their blood is a cold blooded means their internal body temperature not maintained. Their internal body temperature depends on the surrounding. Then another things, body, they have long streamlined boat shaped body. Generally fishes body show divides into three parts: head, trunk and tail. Neck absent in fishes. They have gills. Fishes respire through a gills. So gills, generally in a fishes 5 to 7 pairs of gills is present. These gills covered by a structure, that structure is called as operculum. So operculum is a characteristics of osteichthyes fish, bony fishes. Bony fishes, their gills covered by operculum, and this operculum is absent in a chondrichthyes fish. Then see the next character, appendages. So true appendages present in a Gnathostomata. Appendages absent in a Agnatha. So appendages in a fishes having a two types of appendages, paired and unpaired. Paired appendages including pectoral fins and pelvic fin is there, and unpaired including dorsal fin as well as caudal fin. We can say tail fin is also there. Scale. The fish body covered by a scales. The scale including placoid scale, cycloid scale, ctenoid scale is there. Then after that, when you see a skeleton in a fishes, their endoskeleton made by cartilage or a bone. Chondrichthyes fish, their endoskeleton made by cartilage. And then in osteichthyes fish, their endoskeleton made by a bone. Cartilage, best example shark, bony fish, all lung fishes as well as labia is also there. Heart. When you see the heart in a fishes, their heart is a two chamber, one auricle, one ventricle is there, and their heart is also called venous heart. Why? Because only deoxygenated blood enters in a heart, pass through in a heart, so that heart is called as venous heart. And single circulation. Fishes showing a single type of circulation means only one time blood pass into the heart. Such a circulation is called as single type of circulation. The single type of circulation also found in fishes. See the next characteristics, balancing organ. In a fishes, their internal ears act as a balancing organ. They are made by three semicircular canals. In a fishes, in a Pisces, class Pisces, external ear and middle ear absent. Then in a fishes, lateral line is present. This lateral line act as a sense organ. This lateral line bears a rheoreceptor and it detects the vibration of water as well as it also detects the wave current. as well as in some fishes barbels is present. It is a tactile organ. It gives a sense of touch. In a fishes, when you see their RBC is a nucleated. So Pisces RBC is a nucleated. Kidney is also well developed. In a kidney, three type of kidneys there: pronephric, meso and meta. In a fishes, in a Pisces, mesonephric kidney is there, as well as in a fishes urinary bladder is absent. So I highlight here urinary bladder is absent in a Pisces. See the next character. Mode of feeding. So fishes, some fishes herbivorous, feeding on plant materials, aquatic plant materials. Some fishes are carnivorous, feeding on small crustaceans, as well as also feeding on a zooplankton also. Then cranial nerves. Those nerves which arise from the brain, that nerve is called as cranial nerve. So in a fishes, 10 pair of cranial nerve is present. As well as in a fishes, when you see their brain, their cerebellum is a well developed, as well as olfactory lobe is also well developed. Best example, scoliodons. When you see their brain, their olfactory lobe is a highly developed. That indicates their sense of smell is a highly developed. And well developed cerebellum in a Pisces, that indicates this cerebellum regulate the activity or muscle movements. So that indicates their muscle control or coordination is a high in this class Pisces. Then skull. When you observe their skull, on a skull, the skull show one occipital condyle. These are the one kind of socket is there that provide a site for attachment of muscle. So one occipital condyle present in a fishes. Sexes are separate. Then in a fishes or in a Pisces, fertilization is an internal type as well as external type. Internal, fusion of male and female gamete inside the body. In a scoliodon, in a male, clasper is act as a copulatory organ present behind the anal fin. In a male, this clasper act as a copulatory organ. So in some fishes, fertilization is internal. In some fishes, fertilization is external. Means fusion of male and female gametes occur outside the body. When female lay the egg, same times male eject the sperm. Then development. In a fishes, development is a direct type. Means their newly formed young ones is closely resemble to adults. They are not passing through larval stages. Larval stages is absent. So such a condition is called as direct development. So Pisces showing direct development. Then next point. So Pisces oviparous or ovoviviparous, egg laying or birth the young one. Then in a fishes, accessory respiratory organ is also developed. Such a fishes is called as dipnoi, both breather, aquatic as well as aerial. Best example, Clarius batrachus is there. In a Clarius batrachus, arbocent organ develop in a buccal region. So these fishes can move in a, when a scarcity of water is there, that time this fish can change their place. They can move from one place to the another. That times these organ are useful for that fishes. Then in some fishes, parental care is also observed. They are very caring about their eggs as well as for their young ones. So that are also found in a fishes, as well as this parental care also found in a amphibia as well as in a higher animal also. Then migrations. These are the, we can say, special features found in a fishes. Fish migrate thousands of kilometers for searching a food, for searching a partners, as well as for good environment, as well as for the spawning. So in a fishes, two migrations which is very popular: catadromous migration and anadromous migration. See this PPT. So in this slide, so catadromous migration. The best example is a angulafish showing the catadromous migration. In this case, the fish migrate from fresh water to salt water for the purpose of spawning. So then another anadromous migration is a reverse to the catadromous migration. The salmon, hilsa, trout fish showing such a migration. In this case, the saltwater marine water fish migrate to the fresh water, opposite to catadrobus migration for the process of spawning. So these are also one of the characteristics found in a fishes. Then electric ray fish, in that fish electric organ is there, they can produce the current. Then some fishes are poisonous, including a stingray, eagle ray fish is also there. They have a poisonous glands. Then this fishes showing two super class, two classes is there. That classes in front of you: chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes, example shark is there, as well as another one osteichthyes, bony fish, example catfish, as well as labio is also there. This will be this part we will discuss in a next parts. So that's the silent features of fishes, fish Pisces. Thank you.